Hey friends, Catherine here. I am outside again to use the stencil that we showed you the making of the other day. We've got it ironed onto a shirt and it's stuck down all right, but not so hard that you can't peel it up again if you want to. And I've got my bottle of bleach ready to go. And today we're getting a little bit more complicated with it because I've got some paper towel ready as well. What we're going to do is lightly spray the bleach on to the area that we want it on, and then we're going to take our paper towel and dab it off. This way the bleach doesn't sit in a pool and seep underneath where we've got these stencils, so that we get a cleaner and clearer picture from it, hopefully. We're going to give that here a moment to settle in, and then we're going to go back through and do another bleach. Here we go. I didn't check the make of this shirt, if that's the right word for it, the content of the fabric, to see if it was something that would take bleach well, so we will see how it ends up working. Just go through and spray it on and then dab it off and hope it doesn't seep underneath, because we want to end up with nice, clean, crisp lines, hopefully. And then let it sit for a little while. I can't see any difference. This might not be the best shirt to be trying this out on. We'll see. If it doesn't end up working, we will try something else. It could just be that it's red, and red isn't necessarily the best color to try and bleach from. I do think I see a little color lifting, which might be all right. We'll give it a couple moments and see how it rolls. Maybe try another spray. Get it good and wet, and then dab it up. That way it doesn't pool, hopefully. Trying to end up with a little bit clearer, crisper lines this time. Might just not work entirely. Who knows? We'll see. I don't think I'm seeing any difference. Ah well, I will give this a couple minutes to set, and I'll come back to it, and we will see how it goes. So we let it dry for a bit, and it seems to have lifted color. I don't know if you can even tell. I can't see on the screen whether or not you can see any difference between the actual color of the paper itself and the color that the shirt has lifted to. But that's a really good sign. We're gonna peel up our stencil and see what we end up with. Oop, let's see if we can't get it to lift up all right. Hard to do. Ooh, might have gotten some bleed out underneath. Aha, that's the direction that we want to go. But we will see what we get. Okay, this stencil's definitely not going to be able to be used again. But that's all right. Gonna peel everything away and see what we ended up with. I did get some seep underneath, but it was fairly even, so it's not too bad. And I think I did end up with some pretty crisp lines. It just then like radiates out afterward, but I like it. But I think I'm going to count as a success. It ended up bleaching out for the fabric, and I wasn't sure it would, and that turned out pretty all right. What do you guys think? I'm going to go and soak this in some cool water and then run it through the washing machine. If you guys liked this, definitely let me know. I'd be happy to hear your thoughts on the subject and any ideas you think I should try doing in the future. And I will see you all later. Remember to subscribe. Bye!